from Alemania.
What is your name?
My name is Dolores.
How old are you?
Oh, I'm 18 years old.
Yes.
Very old. How old are you? How old are you?
20 years old.
20 years.
How many sister, no, brothers and sister do you have?
I have two brothers. Two brothers.
Yes.
In Alemania. And your sister and brother?
Do, do, do.
Two.
Do.
Two. Two.
What is your favorite country?
Oh, my favorite country. Español. Andalusia.
Same.
Sur de España.
España.
España también. My favorite country.
Naila, ven, ven,
What
ven, ven.
is
Quiero practicar.
what is
Naila.
your favorite food?
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Em,
Naila,
tu comida favorita.
Oh, my comida. My comida
I
favorite.
am English.
This is comida. This is
I am English.
too much.
I am English today. My name
I
is
like.
Berta.
I like.
Mm,
Verduras.
which
Use of English.
we need to be.
You can say verdura or English.
Verduras.
Yes, español. But in English.
Patata.
Patatas. Patatas is carote.
Papa.
Papa.
Yeah.
I like ice cream.
Mm.
Dessert. Okay.
Thank you very much.
The other.
Gracias.
Okay.